Hello, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to fix Capcut not working. If for any reason your Capcut is not working on your device, either iOS or Android device, this steps is going to clear your issue for you. So what you have to do is this. First of all, tap on your Capcut. It's going to give you this interface. The next thing you have to do is to tap on the settings icon. So tapping on the settings icon, you just on clear cache and also click here on the confirm option in order to confirm your decision for clearing cache. Your reason for clearing the cache is to make sure that you remove every trash on your Capcut that is holding your Capcut from working very well. The next thing you have to do is to go to your settings icon on your device. So on your settings icon, what you have to do there is to tap on the app list. So on my app list, I'm going to see the list of apps that I have on my device. All I have to do is to tap on Capcut option. Tapping on Capcut option, I just have to make sure that I have the permissions is being allowed, permission for the microphone to be on, and the permission for notification. I just have to make sure that the device, the permission of camera, music, audio, those options or features that I need on my Capcut are allowed. That way, if they are being allowed, then that's all. And now make use of my Capcut. So my Capcut will be able to work very well now. So guys, I hope with these steps you'll be able to fix Capcut not working on your device. So if this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.